Hello, constraint motion, loss of motion chunga tension normal force ti ho zauna block system hi chi question no tabang hoi ibol khaw hitan a simple diw lang ho to hi thangkhat hong complex diw acceleration chum hong zauna hi chi concept ho chi bol diw hinten hi chi concept pa hi YouTube channel danga kol hama jong mai thei e bang jong kol ham ho ne he thilo wala chun chila hi bol diw na. Okay, so let's see. Suppose see system khat ga drawing ka ting na chala hi pulley khat minten hi chi pulley ko na hi mass khat chala ki khail ha abana chala hi pulley dang khat ket na khutele chala hi pulley pa jong hi ta string ki vel cho chi string pa he vel chun string ki bang cho chala hi ita string ki vel tin so string khat ita chia mass hi ta ki connect na abana chu hi chala hi block dang khat ket cho. So let's say M1 M2 khutele tu hin velo chun system hi string hi nium chama sapena he chi asaw pa hi string khat and then abana achi chom pa hi string khat mass block nium khutele chela hi this system pa hi release leo chun. Okay, so if you release this one, acceleration hi M1 to M2 pa hi acceleration ki bangdam. So number 1 na khutele chela hi velo chun see in this situation hi chi tabang situation ho hi M1 to M2 pa hi acceleration ki bang lo ta cho. Okay, so let's say M2 goes up by example chala M2 is greater than M1 gat le han na ko tile M2 pa hi khisu ta cho. So M2 pa hi let's say A2 M1 pa acceleration hi A1. Okay, chala hi betang masanga constraint motion anya simple ho I bolo cho chita banga chu equation ji le han M1 pa who M1 is here weight to M1z downwards abana chu tension pa jong hina. So here also see you will have different tension. Okay, saw pa hi string saw pa hi che pa hi na. So let's say the tension here is T1. Okay, so here let's say this is T1 khutile a string saw si hi T1 so okay de. Okay, abana chu string khat pa chu so T2. Okay, T2 khutile chela hi na chela ya he chi pulley pa hi ga velo chun. So let's zoom that pulley here, so it will look like this. Chela hi T1 uma chilanga hi T2 ma abana chu chilanga hi T1 ma chila hi T2 na khutele thil khat ne he do chu. So in all this constraint motion, okay, anything string hi halang ai lo le pulley hi jong le na mass chu massless ong ki pya. Okay, if the string is inextensible abale mass chu na massless a hi ala chun, so the work done by tension will be 0. Okay, hi chu mel chi tang hi chila hi string pa hai na. So string ki pa hi chi pa hi massless a hi a ai lo le inextensible a hi le na abana pulley jong ho vela chun chila hi in this case chila pa hi pulley vela chun pulley jong hi massless frictionless a hi ala chun na. So in all these cases hi chila hi work done by tension chu zat de ha 0 hi ta chu. Okay, he chi point pa hi detail ha bang ai lo na mel chi lo chun pulley chu massless ong hi la chun tension to 0 na string chu massless hi la chun tension to 0 net work done by tension to 0. So hotela chalai pulley pa hi na he chalai ka hai ga belo chun work done chu pi de ha metang pulley pa hi te ong so ala chun displacement chu ta cheten in distance displacement ki bang de na he che displacement ki bang chula pulley pa ong so ala chun. So just imagine after this the pulley is like this. Okay, kutele tension pa hin distance cover khat pa jong distance that cover khat pa jong same distance cover chula displacement chu ki bang chula na bona chu. Okay, kutele chalai pulley a he na in this pulley, so total work done chu za de ha. So displacement ki bang chula na hotele T1 to T2 hi upwards force here T1 ten hi upwards na chila T1 ten hi chete hin chi upwards so khotele chepa hi downwards khotele work done chu khachu positive hi la khachu negative hi di chula na. So work done si chu ila le so must be T1 into x. Okay, achung nang chu positive la le han na plus T1 into x. Okay, bana chu pia minus T2 into x, so this should be 0. Aje chu work done by tension to 0 hi ngai na khotele chila hi zata. So 2T1 into x equals to T2 into x. X cancel out. Okay, Kutila chen piha. So we have a relation T1 equals to T2. Okay. Chicho piha the conclusion kan involved to chila here. First thing tension na hina chila here. Hiti ai puli kaniya. Achung langai tension khat oma, chilangai tension khat oma, chilangai T hi le chun. Batang 2 T2 is equals to 2 times of T1 tinacha. Kutel T1 chu piha. Chipen hi T hi chipen hi T hi le chun. Anui lang pa hi. So it should be 2T. Nè thì mình xem nè, ông kia derive dan chu work done by tension chu zero na, aji chu puli chu massless aki chu male. Oh, chỉ lại kuna chu hitia he na, ikhada J ni level awang chu hitia alang pi ai chen hung di na. Hitia hichita bang hai puli khada hung ma, chilanga tension khat chilanga tension hung ma la chun, chite ni T hi la chun, chipa hi always 2T. Okay, remember. Chichu tension hi ta na, to so ni na hi acceleration pa hi A1 to A2 relation hi piong ni de ha. Batang string chu ka seba string chu massless ahia inextensible relation work done by tension to zero chula na. Kutila hin chalai velo hen free body diagram hi khat bai intazing ka ten next page hin hi chala hi m1 mass uma na chi hi acceleration a1 a chi to cho chi hi tension t. Okay, to hi beta chala hi t1 khela hi t ka zia t1 khela hi t ka zia t1 khela hi t ka zia la chun string ki bang chuna chala hi string ki ba ja so bon cha ke so t ta cho tension chi khapa hi t ka la chun chala hi pa tension t2 hi sa rong dia, so this should be 2t. Okay, khotela chala hi m1 pa hi chala hi m1 0 ma na abana m2 pa khola m2 pa hi chala hi m2 0 weight ding den abana chala hi 2t dita so. Okay, so this is a2 na await pa hi z9 da phote khotele batang string chu massless inextensible hi la chun work done by tension to zero hi ngai na khotele chala hi total work done hi za the whole system a hi. So total work done by the string must have been so chibeta. So t into displacement, so let's say this is x1. Chala displacement pa hi x1 na aji chu to hi displacement ki banglor ta so he chipa hi x distance a chi to la chun he chipen hi x distance a kum su lo da cho ke banglor ta cho kutila chunga pa hi a1 m1 pa hi x1 tutin m2 pa displacement pa hai na. So let's say the displacement here is x2. M2 to x2 a hi so tin cho. Okay, kutila work done che pi ha t into x1 khat pa khona m1 block a work done cho force into displacement za t into x1 chi achung langa chi chura na achung langa positive la lehan, so plus 2t into x2, so this would be 0. Okay, aji cho work done cho nui langa chi ta na the direction ke balo ja so sign cho chum mila ucho kutila chalai kuna hi t1 into x1 minus t2 into x2 should be equals to 0. Kutila t1 into t into x1 should be equals to 2t into x2. T to t cancel le chun final a chu piang po na x1 equals to 2 into x2. Question a chu displacement ang kido ala chun na distance that cover am elo le displacement that cover am chi alkido ala chun chi for chi relations oh kutia chu batang displacement ki velocity jong kedong thai acceleration jong kedong thai chula na in case velocity do kha wala chun pin bol de ha chipen differentiate bol ta chi pa he chipen differentiate bol chun ping po de ha. So dx by dt is 2 into dx2 by dt. Dx by dt so here so ke chula na is a velocity. Kutila velocity 1 equals to 2 times of velocity 2. This is velocity relation. Velocity by differential ball ke le chune ping pot de ham. So you will have what dv1 by dt equals to 2 into dv2 by dt. dv by dt is acceleration chula na kutila chi hi zat ha. Chi hi a1 equals to 2 times of a2. So in short question aung ke pi alchun question a khona hi ti direct abol ham. So see directly I can write t into x1 to equals to chalai kona hi t into x1 equals to 2t into x2. Chika differentiate ala chun t into v1 equals to 2t into v2. The difference ke dale t into a1 equals to 2t into a2. Kutila direct na direct hi chi ho si tai solve lo hi la direct t into a1 equals to 2t into a2 hi tai ka ji theta cho. Okay. Aji jo time ka save num na sort kara cho. T to t cancel la so direct a so a chu pe ha 2 into a2 acceleration relation pen cho na. Hita hi iman diu cho. So you have to use this. Okay, I think this is the best way to solve this type of questions. Ihe diu cho mas apena cho tension cho hita hong phala chun na. Chilanga t oma la chun chilanga hi 2t om ngai. Oh, okay. Chi jo mas apen hi sa ni na cho he chi pa he. So t into a1 equals to 2t into a2. Chi pa hi mi chi tao. Oh. Okay, so that is the only concept you have to learn. Okay, khutile concept here is sim the ho chana. So now let's apply them. Question hi achiever ma ko na question thumle libo se solve de. Oh, so then after that your concepts will be clear. Okay, mas pena chu. So let's say question number 1. It's question hi vela chun system hi betao. So mass 2m to mass m om na tension chum om na puli dan jong hi vela chun azawa example ka pi ta bang chat chu chu. Mas pena puli hi vela chun hi ta yam ja puli chu. Okay, chila hi string ba hi. So all these are the same string. Na string ki bang chula chi. Khutile tension ju ki bang ni chu chila tension t. Okay, right? And I have different tension here, so I will have another tension, something else, different tension. Na khutile chila hi vela chun. Chila nga hi t om la chun chipa he za de ham 2t. Na zo se bang wa chu. Khutile chun chila hi ta. Hi chipen hi t hi chipen hi t hi la chun chipen hi 2t. Okay, so that is the tension. Abala chu pem acceleration. H m1 by a small m by a1 aji so la chun h pa he let's say it comes with a2. Acceleration a2 na. Abala ichi acceleration pa ti bol ta. So chilanga hi tension t uma. So this is tension t. Okay, so 2t into a2 should be equals to t into a1. Na, azo differential ipol masang ipol zo wa chalaya kasi pa chun si. So remember this one na he chalaya in mudan he chi. So t into a1 should be equals to 2t into a2 chalaya akibang mamay bol ke bala chun. So 2t chu chi hi na 2t into a2 should be equals to t into a1. Kutila t cancel la chun iping ponam. So a2 should be equals to a1 divided by 2. So pitinaham a1 pa hi a hi la chun a2 pa hi a by 2 ahi ngai. Nah, that means, so here if a1 is equals to a, then a2 will be a by 2. Okay. Kutile tension jang solve tao na, acceleration ki solve ta. So now let's draw the free body diagram and then write the force equation. Masapena 2m pa hi, hichilanga hi 2t tension uma, acceleration jang chu a by 2. Okay. Kutile force equation chu pi ham pa hi. So fx equals to max. Na mass to piha 2m chula na chila hi. So force to 2t yuma atagum law na. Mass to 2m is acceleration to a by 2. Kutila 2 cancel out. Right? So what is t? So t is ma divided by 2. Equation number 1. Okay, kutila second block pa so kaya pa ko. So block mass m. Ano yung nga hi mz weight ding. At yung nga ho tension t yuma acceleration to a. Na iya chi su chula na. Kutile force equation chula hi zilaw hen. So Fy equals to may, right? So upwards is plus, downward is minus, m into minus a. A zong kunui lang aji su chula na chila hi. Kutile t hiel hen value pa hi put leo chun. Okay? Chila ya t equals to ma by 2 he na. Chila hi substitute bo leo chun zanong pot de ham. So I have ma by 2 minus mz should be equals to minus ma. A gets cancelled out. Z pa he zilanga chi ding, hulanga minus a pa ko velanga hong ding. Is that hong poto de ham. So a by 2 plus a should be equals to z. So 3a by 2 equals to z, or a choose hong potom a is 2z by 3. Okay. Masa penan chu acceleration chu hong potom acceleration chu. First a pa chu acceleration do na chila hi. So 2z by 3. Okay, so this is the acceleration of block mass m. Abana chupiam tensions in the string t hold on ngai chula na. T hold on nga chupiam bol ngai ham. So put this value here. Okay. Zatang podot di ha. So t equals to m into a chu pi ha 2z by 3 divided by 2. Okay. M a by 2 chula. So 2 cancel out. So you have m into z by 3. Chi tension. Okay. So mz by 3. Okay, next question. Question 2. Acceleration of block of mass m situated in the figure. All the surfaces are frictionless. Pulleys and strings are light. Na massless, inextensible. Khutile chila hi masa pena chu tension solve for na tension chu chi hi t he la chun chi hi t hung hiding chi pen hi t hung hiding na khutile chi za di ham chi 2 t hi ngai na. Okay. Khutile abana chu acceleration chu chi pen hi a1 hi la chun chi pen hi a2 hi ngai na. Khutile masa pen a1 to a2 relation hold out. Oh, iti ki hold out jitam. So here t into a2 should be equals to 2t into a1. Na abolan chu. So t into a2 should be equals to 2t into a1. T cancel ala chun a2 chu jar bonam 2 times of a1. Na chu pi den ham a1 pa chu a hi ala chun a2 pa khu 2a hi ngai. Okay. So this is what is given. So you draw the free body diagram and write the force equation. Block mass m pa khu itayama chilanga he tension t ma acceleration chu 2a ilang ip mam mc sin 30 so 1 by 2 na hutile mz by 2. Okay, sign convention chu x y abana chu 2m pa hi chilanga hi weight ma 2mz achung nga hi tension 2 t ding zara chi su a chi su na che pa he. Okay, write the force equation ma sa pa he fx equals to max. Force ppm t minus mz by 2, okay, should be equals to m into 2a. Okay. Kutile tension zanong panam tension should be equals to mz by 2 kolong ding plus 2ma. Okay, equation 1 na. Heche pa equation 2 a input dito. Second equation na na. Second equation na fy equals to may. Kutile 2t minus 2mz should be equals to 2m into acceleration downward na. So minus a. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing here. Chila hina. Equation 1 by 2 to multiply on both sides. So 2t should be equals to mz plus 4ma. Okay, equation 1. Chila 2 to multiply na dito na. Betang si 2t pa hi, I can put it here. Okay. Kutile, ani na kun pull lang sa ng pod diham. So whole thing 2t hila ko mz plus 4ma kasi din na. About 2mz should be equals to minus 2ma. So m abonam so okay na. M cancel thay. Kutile x a ten hi velang ko velang z ten hi khuzi lang transfer lesson sa ng pod diham. So first thing, so z minus 2z chu minus z. Na minus z lang achia chun plus z ki sulta chu. So here I have a 4a plus 2a should be equals to z. Kutile 6a should be equals to z. A chu zan hong panam z by 6. Hichi a hi kui acceleration ha. Chi 2m pa acceleration chula na chi pa hi. Okay. So here the acceleration of 2m is how much? Z by 6. Block mass m pa kolale. So 2 times of z by 6. That means how much? 2 into z by 6. That means z by 3. Okay. Kutile question jan bidong acceleration do na. So we have found the acceleration. Okay. No but let's like tension no hol ke theo na. Tension ju ti ke hol de ham. Hechi a pa he chala input leu chun. Okay, you'll get the tension. Okay. Okay, question number 3. So here also another system. 4 kg block to 5 kg block na to hi value ki pi cho mass 10 hi. Kutile masa pen jo tension solve masat ngai na. Hechi pa hi t hi la chun. Hechi pa jong hi t hung ding. Na chepa jong hi t hung de same string chula na. Kutile chepa hi za diam 5 kg na pa hi. Chi 2 t hi ngai na. Abana chu acceleration chu pi ham. Block 5 kg block pa hi acceleration. Betang question chila na 4 kg to 5 kg kui pen hi hi su dem. Question to 5 kg hi gi zo na. Eva bana 4 kg zang zo chula na. So Let's assume, okay, let's assume that this 4 kg is going upward, A2, 5 kg is going downward, A1. Kutile masa pena tension A1 to A2 relation ihol ngai na iti ki hol zitam. So T into A2, okay, should be equals to 2T into A1. Chala na bola na so TT cancel out. So A2 is equals to 2 times of A1. Kutile A1 to A here la chun A2 chu zat diham 2 times of A. Okay. Kutile acceleration teni relation ki mota tension ki heta force equation ji ngai ko tele 5 kg pa hi anui langa hi weight 50 newton ding achung langa ko tension zan amam 2 t na jala hi acceleration chu as a ho assumption chu nui langa chi tiu cho e anui langa chi na abana 4 kg pa ho chung langa ho tension t ma anui langa hi 40 newton weight na abala ama hi achi to tiu jala na so 2a. Okay, let's write the force equation na. Force equation chu masapena chu pi ha hichi pa hi 5 kg pa hi 2t minus 50 should be equals to kg 5 y to 5 na 5 into minus a. So that means 2t minus 50 should be equals to minus 5a. Okay, question 1. Abanas pa hi so t minus 40 should be equals to 4 into 2a. So 2a to upward that's a plus oh chala hi kutila ipi ha chala 40 t minus 40 equals to 8a. Let's do one thing here. Let's multiply the second equation by 2 and then subtract with the first equation. As you t ki cancel dina chala hi. Kutile multiply by 2 ka bola jun. So 2t minus 8t should be equals to 16 into a. Equation 2. 2 in equation 1 to 2 subtract bola jun na. So 2 minus 1 ka bola jun piung pot them. So 2 minus 1. So okay, confusing bola 1 minus 2 bola. So 1 minus 2. So here I will have minus 50 minus of minus 80 should be equals to minus 5a minus 16a. Okay. Kutile chila here minus 50 plus 80 to 30. So this is 21a na. Kutile izarong po na chila here. So I have a equals to minus 30 by 21. So 310 are 30, 37 are 21. Okay. Kutile a chu zat ham minus 10 chu pia z chu na z. So minus z by 7 jong ti theu so chala hi. Ibola minus ung pod acceleration hi. So this means that the 5 kg is not going downwards. Kum su lo so 5 kg pa hi 4 kg pa zo hi kum su ding 5 kg pa zo hi chi to ta cho. Okay. Kutile 5 kg pa hi tai chi to ding acceleration zat ham so z by 7 a chi to ding. Okay. 4 kg pa hi za dong su lo de ham 2 into z by 7 a hung su ta su chi. Okay, so 2 into z by 7. Nah. Okay, so that is the answer. Abana same question na chalai adita so option a sub question a b c tam so chepen a he jana chepa he. So this is a, okay. A chu chalai 3 situation ke ti a pa he solve sai ta first pa na abana so b pa chu chi. So this is b. Okay. So let's solve b also. Masa pena so tension solve dio. Just string hi relation sao pa hai, so this is all the same string na chala hi kutila same string relation same tension t so t everywhere. Okay, abana jo nu ya pa hi za diham che pa hi 2t na kutila 5 kg pa hi, let's say it goes down by a1 kutila 2t pa hi za rong pod de hung phai diham a2 a hung phai na kutila tension relation chu ti ji du ham acceleration relation chu. So here chala hi batang. So t into a2 should be equals to 2t into a1. Okay. Kutila t into a2 should be equals to 2t into a1. Na t cancel out. I have a2 should be equals to 2 times of a1. Kutila a1 chu hicha a1 chu a ka la chun a2 should have 2 times of a1, 2 times of a. Okay, so 2a. Right? So now let's write the force equation. 2 kg pa ko zilanga tension t na kai na acceleration chu 2a. Okay, abana so 5 kg pa ko a weight to 50 downwards na 50 downwards za abana tension chu 2t upwards acceleration chu a. Okay, kutile force equation chu piding ham so fx equals to max bola chun chala hi t should be equals to 2 into 2a na chi jan ham 4a. Okay, equation 1. Second achu 50 2t minus 50 should be equals to 5 into minus a. Chalai 2t chala na hotel equation number 1 by 2 to multiply lang. So 2t should be equals to 8a. Okay, equation 1. Hotel chalai 2t pa hi chalai input leo jun janang po diham. So in place of 2t I have 8a minus 50 should be equals to minus 5a. Minus 5a hi vai lang ahong ding na 50 chuji lang chile chun. So how much? 8a plus 5a should be equals to 50. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13a should be equals to 50, or what is a should be equals to 50 by 13 meter per second square. Okay, or I can write 50 as 5z na. A is equals to 5z by 13. Okay, see acceleration kui pena ha ye 5 kg a pen na khotele 2 kg pa acceleration jat ham. So 2 kg pa so 2 times of this. Okay, that means 10z divided by 13. Okay, so that is the acceleration. Khotele chaina guiding in last question. Okay, so C. So C I evaluation 1 kg to 2 kg na chala hi masa pena so tension veotin tension 2, so it goes like this. Okay, it comes like this. Khotele hi t hi ala chun chipen jong hi t yong ding chipen jong hi t hi ngai na abana chipen hi zat ham chipen hi 2 t hi ngai cha. Okay, so now next is acceleration 2. So here 2 let's say a2 pa hi a1 a chi so 1 kg pa hi a2 hong tau na ta hi. Khotele t into a1 should be equals to 2t into a2. Okay, t into a1 should be equals to 2t into a2. T cancel ala chun a1 chu jan hong podam a1 chu 2 times of a2. Khutele a2 chu a ka ti ala chun a1 chu ding ham 2 times of a. Okay, that's just acceleration relation ta chu. So now we write the force equation. Masa pena chu 1 kg pa khu achung langa khu 2t na kai tawa a weight chu 10 newton downwards na khotele chi to na chu acceleration a. Okay, abana 2 kg pa khu sila hamza weight chu 20 newton abana tension t hi chi za chi su am 2a a chi su na. Okay, so let's write the force equation. So 2t minus 10 should be equals to minus a. 1 into minus a plus a din na chi 1 chi to. Okay, right, so how much is this? So 2t minus 10 should be equals to a, right? Let's say equation number 1. Okay, bana chu khat pa khu equation pi ha. So t minus 20 should be equals to 2 into 2a. So 2a chu downwards na minus 2a. Kutela t minus 20 should be equals to minus 4a. Okay, equation number 2. Kutela equation number 2 pa 2 to multiply within 1 pa to kon subtract bol lew na. So 2t minus 40 should be equals to minus 8a. Okay, let's say this is equation number 2. Kutele equation number 1 to 2 hi minus bol lew na izan po do di ham. So 1 minus 2. So 2t to 2t cancel out na. Minus 10 minus minus plus 40 chuchu a minus minus 8a. Okay, kutele zilang ay 30 ding zilang aku 9a na. Kutele a chu za dem 30 divided by 9. 30 divided by 9 so 10 3 are 30, 3 3 are 9 meter per second square. Okay, kutele z 10 khela hi z jong ki koi thei chula na. Acceleration za dem a is equals to z by 3 meter per second square. Okay, z by 3 na. Z by 3 ko ya ham koi pena ham. So z by 3 chu 1 kg pa na. Z by 3 achi to ding 2 kg pa hi 2z by 3 ang kum su ta chu. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, question khalani thamcha concept he na dinga chu na. Concept thamat matu da dinga chu kan bol hin tin. So far he question hoi ke level hi NEET exam ke dong khabe che ne ro na. E ba ji level la so to cho. So you have to know as you NEET exam dong to 2025 ko ma hi evaluation question hi thamat level hong sang da chu na. Okay, so you have to prepare for it. Okay, so that much I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.